Do you want to learn how to create a top-down game, and that in a very short amount of time? This course will guide you through the steps and challenges of doing so. My name is Michael Doyon. I'm a self-taught game developer, ex-Ubisoft employee, and former professional gamer. I started teaching 2 years ago in college, and now I'm an online tutor with over 400 educational videos on the web. Those can be found on my YouTube channel if you'd like to have a preview on how I teach before purchasing this course. In here, you will be using the latest and most popular tool available for creating games. One of them is the notorious Unity engine. We will be running the latest version, currently 2017.2, and learn all about the Animator and the keyframe animation, the sprite animations, the new Tilemap system, manual collision detection, the UI system and creating animated menus, layers, and much more. We will also create different gameplay systems like a combat system, a character selection, weapon upgrade, experience system with leveling up, and a floating text system. This project is made out of 21 C# script, which totals under 1,000 lines of code. We leverage Unity's capability everywhere we can to save us as much technical work as we can. I believe this is a good approach because we will be forced to look at all the little things the engine gives us to speed up our workflow. I will be sharing with you my tips and introduce you to the way I work along the way. I hope you join me on this project, and I will see you on the other side.